Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? Hope you all will be fine. I am your science teacher and today we are going to start unit number 3 of science, and the name of the unit is digestion. Digestion means the process of changing food into simple substances. We know that to work properly, the systems of our body need food. The food we eat cannot go straight to the parts of our body. It has to be broken down into substances which can be absorbed. To do this, it has to go through several stages. Teeth. We know a baby is born without teeth. Teeth only begin to grow after a baby is few months old. When a baby is born, it cannot chew food. It can only feed on milk and other liquids. When it grows a little older, a baby needs teeth to eat solid foods. At the age of about 3, a child has a set of 20 teeth. These teeth are called baby teeth or milk teeth. When a child is 20 years old, it has a set of 20 teeth. These teeth are called baby teeth or milk teeth. Types of teeth. We have different types of teeth. At the age of 6, the milk teeth start to fall out and new teeth appear in the gaps. Gaps mean spaces. There are 32 teeth in this second set, which are called permanent teeth. At the age of 3 years, a baby has a set of 20 teeth. These are called milk teeth. And when he is 6 years old, he has a set of 32 permanent teeth. The teeth at the front of the mouth are used for cutting and biting food. The teeth that are present at the front of our mouth, they are used for cutting and biting food. These 8 teeth which cut food are called incisors. The teeth used for cutting are called incisors. The pointed teeth beside your incisors are called canine teeth. The teeth present beside incisors are called canine teeth because these teeth are pointed and also sharp. They help tear food. There are 4 canines, 2 in each jaw. The bigger flatted teeth at the back of the mouth are called molars and premolars. The teeth present at the back of our mouth are called molars and premolars. These are used to grind and chew food. They are the toughest teeth. Molars and premolars are the toughest teeth and they are used to grind and chew food. Looking after your teeth. If we look after our teeth properly, they will last a long time. When we eat something, small bits of food can get stuck between our teeth. These bits can be cleaned away by using a toothbrush, toothpaste and water. We can clean these bits by using toothbrush, toothpaste and water. Some people use a neem twig or tooth powder. Neem twig, we usually call it maswak. Sometimes the teeth get covered with a thin sticky layer of germs. Sometimes our teeth get covered with a thin sticky layer of germs. This is called plaque. Plaque is a thin sticky layer of germs. Most people have germs in our mouth but we cannot see because they are so small. We must brush our teeth carefully to get rid of plaque. Sugar and plaque together form an acid. Acid can make small holes in the enamel that covers the teeth. When germs enter the holes, the teeth begin to rot or decay. Decay means destroy. This can cause pain. The only way to stop decay is to visit a dentist. We should visit a dentist. A dentist will fill the holes with fillings. How we digest food. We take food into the body through the mouth. Food is chewed in the mouth. We use our teeth to tear and grind hard food and make it into a paste. The tongue helps to mix the food with saliva. Saliva is a sticky liquid in mouth. Salivary glands in the mouth produce saliva. Salivary glands are present in the mouth and they produce saliva. Saliva softens the food and starts the digestion of starches. As we swallow, tongue pushes the food into our throat. The throat leads into a tube called the food pipe. The food passes from the food pipe. Portions of the pipe contract and relax alternately to push the food forward, and in time it enters your stomach. The food pipe contracts and relaxes to push the food into the stomach. Our stomach is a bag made of muscles. It can store food for several hours. The stomach releases some juices and an acid. The juices are called digestive juices. They help to break down the food into smaller particles, and the function of acid is to kill the germs present in the food and helps to digest proteins. The food passes from the stomach through a long tube called the small intestine. It is the part where actual digestion takes place. Here some more juices are added into the food that makes the food softer. The walls of the small intestine are very thin. The food, here the food mixes with the blood, and the blood vessels transport the broken down substances to the body cells, where they are used to provide energy and build new tissues. Some of the things we eat cannot be digested. They pass the large intestine. Here water is absorbed from the undigested food, and solid part of it is sent out of the body as feces through the anus. Feces means solid remains of food that was not digested in the small intestine. Pancreas, liver and gallbladder. There are also three other important organs in our body which help with digestion. These are the pancreas, liver and gallbladder. The pancreas is a long flattened organ located in the belly that helps to break down food by producing digestive juices that break down fats. The pancreas release juice that helps to break down fats. These juices enter the intestine through the small tube. The liver has many functions. It helps to filter the blood and it stores food energy. The liver filters the blood and it stores food energy. It is the largest organ in the body. It produces a digestive juice called bile. Liver produces a digestive juice called bile. The bile is stored in the gallbladder and when needed released into the part of the small intestine. Eating habits. Follow these rules and we will find that our digestive system works well. Number 1. Eat regularly and at fixed times. Go to the toilet every morning. Eat a balanced diet which includes fresh green vegetables and drink plenty of water. Make sure that the food we eat is clean and well cooked. Wash our hands well before eating anything. We should wash our hands before eating anything. Do not run about, stand or become excited while eating. Means we should not run about when we are eating. Chew your food well. We should chew our food well. Rinse your mouth after you eat. Rinse means wash. Means we should wash our mouth after eating. Okay students, now we will do the workbook work. So open workbook page number 19. Types of teeth. Label each type of teeth below. The teeth present at the upper left corner is called premolar. The teeth present at upper left corner is premolar. The teeth present at the upper right corner is molar. Write on the blank molar. The teeth present at the lower left corner is canine. Write on the blank canine. And the teeth present at the lower right corner is incisor. The teeth that are present at the lower right corner is incisor. Next is complete the given table. Shape, type of tooth, location, number and purpose. Type of tooth. Incisor, location, lower right, number 8, purpose, cut and chop food. Incisors are present at lower right. They are 18 numbers and their purpose is to cut and chop food. Next is canine. Canine are present at lower left. They are 4 in number and their purpose is to tear food. The purpose of canine is to tear food. They are 4 in numbers and they are present in lower left. Next is premolar. Premolars, they are present at upper left. They are 18 numbers and their purpose is chew food. The purpose of premolar is to chew food. They are 18 number and they are present at upper left. Next is molar. Location, they are present at upper right. They are 12 in number and their purpose is grind food. The purpose of molars are grind food. They are 12 in numbers. They are present in upper right. Now move on page number 20. Food that make your teeth happy. Write on the blank. Calcium rich food, cereals, milk, fruits and vegetables. They make our teeth healthy. Next is food that make your teeth sad. Junk food, cold drinks, spicy food, sweets. Write on the blanks. These are the foods that makes our teeth sad. Which of the following would help reduce tooth decay? Circle them. Drinking orange juice, eating less sugar, eating less fat, visiting the dentist regularly, avoid fizzy drink, eating calcium rich food. Circle eating less sugar, visiting the dentist regularly, avoid fizzy drink, eating calcium rich food. Circle all these points. Fill in the blanks. A baby is born with dash teeth. A baby is born without teeth. Write on the blank out. A 3-year-old child will usually have a set of dash milk teeth. 20. Write on the blank 20. An adult who has looked after their teeth will usually have dash permanent teeth. 32. Write on the blank 32. There are 4 different types of permanent teeth. Write on the blank incisor, canine, molar and premolar. Okay, now move on page number 21. Parts of the digestive system. Label the following parts. How do we digest food? Number 1, mouth. Write on the blank, mouth. Next is number 2, salivary glands. Write on the blank, salivary glands. Number 3 is esophagus. Number 4 is stomach. Number 5 is small intestine. Number 6 is large intestine. Now move on page number 22. What do the parts of the digestive system do? Complete the table below, writing functions of the main parts of the digestive system. First part is saliva, and the function in digestion is saliva softens the food and starts the digestion of starches. It softens the food and starts the digestion of starches. Next is food pipe, and the function is it pushes the food forward to the stomach. Food pipe pushes the food forward to the stomach. Next is stomach. Stomach, it breaks down the food into smaller particles. The function of stomach is it breaks down the food into smaller particles. Now move on page number 24. Choose the correct answer. Number 1. Which teeth are used for biting into food? Molars, premolars, canine, या incisors. And the correct answer is canine. Circle C. Number 2. The undigested food passes out through the A. Intestine, B. Stomach, C. Anus, D. Pancreas. And the correct answer is C. Anus. So circle anus. Number 3. What is stored in gallbladder? A. Bile, B. Saliva, C. Glucose, D. Water. And the correct answer is A. Bile. Number 4. Where do the nutrients go after they pass through the intestine walls? Number A. Into tissues, B. into blood vessels, C. into the kidneys, D. into the stomach. And the correct answer is B. into blood vessels. Number 5. Which of the following are facts about the liver? A. It helps filter the blood, B. It stores food energy, C. It is the largest organ, D. All of the above. And the correct answer is D. All of the above. Next is fill in the blanks. Number 1. In dash in the mouth helps to soften food. Write on the blank saliva. Next is the stomach produces acid dash which kills the bacteria in food. Write on the blank acid. The stomach produces acid. Number 3. The largest intestine absorbs the dash from the waste and sends the solid part of it out of the body as dash. On the blank write water and feces. Next is the liver produces a juice called bile. Write on the blank bile. Number 5. The dash helps to mix the food with saliva. Write on the blank tongue. The tongue helps to mix the food with saliva. Number 6 is bile is produced by the dash and stored in the dash. Write on the blank liver and stored in the gallbladder. Bile is produced by the liver and stored in the gallbladder. Next is saliva softens the food and starts the digestion of starches. Write on the blank starches. Next is match the column. A with the correct term in column B. Number 1. Produces digestive juices that break down fats. Pancreas. Right. Match it with pancreas. Next is a fluid that helps with digestion. Saliva. Match it with A. Number 3. It stores bile. It stores bile. Match it with gallbladder. Gallbladder stores bile. Number 4. Produces bile. Liver. Liver produces bile. Match it with B. Number 5. A long tube in the digestive system. That is intestine. A long tube in the digestive system is intestine. Match it with C. Number 6. Stores food for several hours. Stomach. Match it with E. Stomach stores food for several hours. Okay. Now move on page number 26. Mark these sentences with true or false. Number 1. The teeth which cut food are incisors. True. Right there T. Number 2. There are salivary glands in the teeth. False. Number 3. Food enters the stomach through the small intestine. True. Number 4. The liver is bigger than the pancreas. True. Number 5. It is better for the digestion if one stands while eating. False. Next is, here are some incomplete words. The vowels have been left out. Can you complete the words? Number 1. The complete word is bacteria. Bacteria. Write on the blank AEIA. Number 2. The word is plaque. Write on the blank AUE. Number 3. The word is filling. FILLING. Number 4. The word is teeth. T-E-E-T-H. Number 5. Canine. The word is canine. C-A-N-I-N-E. Number 6. Intestine. The word is intestine. I-N-T-E-S-T-I-N-E. Number 7. Pancreas. The word is pancreas. P-A-N-C-R-E-A-S. Number 6. Number 7. The word is kidney. K-I-D-N-E-Y. Number 9. The word is vitamins. V-I-T-A-M-I-N-S. Vitamins. Number 10. The word is mineral. M-I-N-E-R-A-L. Next is, what are these scrambled words? Unscramble them to reveal meal names. C-H-U-N-L. And the correct word is lunch. L-U-N-C-H. Number 2. F-A-S-T-K-R-E-A-B. The correct word is breakfast. B-R-E-A-K-F-A-S-T. Next is E-R-D-N-I-N. The correct word is dinner. D-I-N-N-E-R. Number 4. K-S-A-C-N. And the correct word is snack. S-N-A-C-K. Number 5. E-A-S-F-T. And the correct word is feast. F-E-A-S-T. Now move on page number 28. Think critically. Can the body survive without any one of the parts involved in the digestion of food? And the answer is, we cannot survive because we cannot digest our food properly and get enough energy. Next question is, which foods are easier to digest? Make a list of the foods you think are easy to digest and those which are not. Food easy to digest: banana, eggs, toast, white rice. They are easy to digest. Food not easy to digest: fast foods. Okay students, now we will do the notebook work. So open your notebook, ready the content page. Question number 1. What is saliva? Salivary glands in the mouth produce saliva. Saliva softens the food and starts the digestion of starches. Salivary glands in the mouth produce saliva. Saliva softens the food and starts the digestion of starches. Next question is, what does the liver do? The answer is, it helps to filter the blood and stores food energy. It produces a digestive juice is called bile. It helps to filter the blood and stores food energy. It produces a digestive juice is called bile. Question number 3 is, what is bile? Where is it produced and stored? The answer is, liver produces a digestive juice called bile. It is produced by the liver and stored in the gallbladder. Liver produces a digestive juice called bile. It is produced by the liver and stored in the gallbladder. Students, our chapter is complete. Now learn this chapter. Thank you.